SolidCAM is a CAM solution that runs inside of SolidWorks. In previous videos, we saw how to set up a part for machining by defining the machine, stock, and coordinate system. In this video, we will do an engraving operation. It's not uncommon to want part numbers cut into a part for identification. We can engrave true type fonts or single line font. In this example, I have a sketch that uses the SolidWorks OLF single line font. I'll add an engraving operation. Select the geometry. The type is text. The tool, I'll select this engraving tool. I'll set the depth to 10 thousandths. Let's simulate the toolpath. You can see this is a pointed tool. That looks acceptable. We can save and exit the operation. Engraving is not limited to text. We can engrave any sketched entities. Here we have a spline. I'll add an engraving operation to cut that. Again, we select the geometry. The type is edges. I'll use the same tool. Cut to the same depth. Let's simulate the toolpath. Thank you.